Hello everyone, welcome back. We're really happy to have you here with us again. Alex, I have to tell you something. I tried to make a simple plan with a friend yesterday, and in the end, we did absolutely nothing.
Oh no, that sounds very familiar. Hey everyone, we're really excited to have you here learning English with us. And honestly, I think this happens to all of us sometimes.
Oh really? That sounds interesting already. So tell me, what are we talking about today? Is it something we do every day?
Oh yes, absolutely. It's something we all do all the time. Today we're talking about making plans with friends. You know, calling a friend, inviting someone, or deciding what to do together.
Oh, I love this topic because it's very useful in real life. And dear listeners, today you're not just listening, you are part of this conversation.
All right, everyone, this is your moment. Imagine this. It's the weekend. You feel bored and you want to go out. So tell me, what do you say to your friend? Come on, say it in English. Don't worry if it's simple, just try.
Yes, that's perfect. Maybe you can say something like, "Hey, do you want to hang out?" Or, "Are you free this weekend?"
Oh yes, those are great examples. Very natural and very useful. And you can also say, "Let's do something fun."
Yes, simple and friendly. But Alex, tell me honestly, are you good at making plans?
That's a tricky question. I think I'm good at making plans, but not always good at following them.
That sounds familiar. I think many people are like that. They make plans, but then change everything.
Oh yes, that happens all the time. Actually, I have a funny situation about that. It happened with one of my friends last week.
Oh, really? Now I'm curious. Come on, Alex, tell us what happened. Dear listeners, I think this will be fun.
All right, listen to this. So I called my friend and said, "Hey, let's go out this weekend." And he said, "Yes, great idea."
Okay, that sounds normal so far. What happened next?
Then I asked him, "What do you want to do?" And he said, "I don't know. You choose."
Classic answer. No idea. You decide.
Exactly. So I said, "Okay, let's go to a cafe." And he said, I'm not sure."
Oh no! So he said yes, but also no.
Yes, exactly. Then I said, "Okay, what about a movie?" And he said, "I don't feel like watching a movie."
This is getting difficult.
I know. So finally I asked him, "Okay, what do you want to do?" And he said, "I just want to stay home."
That's so funny. So you made all these plans, and in the end, he stayed home.
Yes, exactly. Perfect planning, zero action again.
I love this story. It's funny, but also very real. I think we all have a friend like that.
Oh yes, absolutely. And sometimes we are that friend.
All right, everyone. Now it's your turn again. Think about your friends. Do you have a friend like Alex's friend? The one who says yes, but never decides anything?
Yes, be honest. And try to answer in English. Even a simple sentence is great.
For example, you can say, "My friend always changes plans," or "My friend never decides."
Perfect. That's exactly how you practice English. Simple, natural, and real.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. Just speak, just try, and you will improve step by step.
Oh yes, that's right. Confidence is more important than perfection.
And next time, Alex, maybe choose a better friend for your plans.
Yes, I think I will. Or maybe I'll just stay home too.
All right, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and support us. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. See you in the next conversation.
See you in the next episode. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. We're to hear from you.